Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this new COVID-19 test kit. So this is new from the government, just came from USPS Postal Service, shout out to United States Postal Service, shout out to the US government for getting us these COVID test kits this holiday season. So COVID's still not over, so guess there was this free test kit you could get, and I'm impressed with how small this is. We've come a long way, smaller test kits, and what's crazy, I think, is inside here is 4 test kits. So 4 test devices, 4 swabs, 4 tubes, and all that good stuff. So let's see how this compares to the Abbott test kits and the other ones I've unboxed on this channel. Ooh, we've come a long way. Okay, this is pretty compact. Instructions in there for the swab thingies. I'm sure you all know what to do with the swabs by now. And then self-test. So don't want to open one up, but this is super tiny. Really impressed with how small these test kits have gotten. Good job, Siemens. So 4 of them in here. And looks like 4 tubes. So yeah, really impressed. Hopefully you don't need to try this out, but wanted to show you all how it looks like. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. Stay safe and healthy this holiday season. And we will see you next time. Later.